Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making seafood okra. This sauce is absolutely divine. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and join the family where you get amazing recipes like this every single week. Okay, let us get into this. Okay guys, so the ingredients we need for this amazing recipe are okra, baby spinach, red onions, locust beans, and for the seafood, my personal preference are smoked prawns, ground crayfish, stockfish, catfish fillets, king prawns, crab claws, smoked mackerel, and fresh tilapia. However, you can use whatever you want. The world is literally your oyster. Okay, we also need some all-purpose seasoning, Knorr cubes, and for the pepper mix, we need some 2 bell peppers, 2 scotch bonnet, and 1 red onion. Okay, let's get cooking. Okay, so what I've done is I've poured in some water into the pot, and now I'm just adding in my tilapia. And that's just going to boil for some time, and then I'm going to add in some of the other seafood like the crab claws and the prawns. And as you can see, I'm seasoning it with some Knorr, and I've also put in some ground crayfish. And what I'm doing now is gently stirring it around. Okay, also the next stage is me cutting up some okra, and for that I cut some, split them into 2, and some of them I cut them all as well. As you can see, they're different sizes. I love that. I don't like to blend my okra. Okay, for the next stage, I'm just grabbing all the tilapia. I'm taking them out because I don't want them to break apart too much. So I'm just going to get all the tilapia out and leave the crab claws and the prawns in there for a minute. But what I'm doing right now is adding in some mackerel, the smoked mackerel, just putting it in there for about 2 minutes and taking it right back out. Again, I don't want them breaking apart too much. I need to be able to enjoy it in my sauce because it is awesome. Okay, so I'm just leaving that again a bit just for it to boil over some more, and adding in my cooked stockfish. To make the stockfish, I've already added some salt and water to them, and as you can see, I have added some crayfish and also the pepper mix, and now just adding in some more Knorr and also the ground crayfish. Again, leave it to boil a bit and then add a bit of Knorr to it, as I'm doing right now. And then you scoop all the seafood out, including the prawns and the crab claws. Everything comes out, and what you do is you set the sauce that you've made from here apart and then start on your okra. So what I've done now is poured in some palm oil into a pot, allow it to heat up for about 5 minutes, and now I'm adding in my red onion and then locust beans to that. What I am doing now is just stirring it through and then adding in some okra, well, all the okra to be fair. And what I'll be doing is stirring it through on a medium heat. So I'm just going to keep stirring, and you can see that it's starting to get sticky. Guys, this smells absolutely divine. Honestly, I was already licking my lips because I couldn't wait. Right, so just keep stirring this through, and you can see all the stickiness coming through. And the next stage is pouring some of the sauce that we made with the seafood mix. Pour them in with bits and just keep stirring it. So you're going to see me do this a couple of times. Again, I'm pouring the sauce in and then just going to stir it with my spatula again. The process just continues. at the colors already. Okay, so what I'm doing now is pouring in some of the mix. So I've just added in some stockfish and prawns, and now I'm adding the rest of the crab, the king prawn, and also some of the crayfish, and stirring it through. Okay guys, you can already eat this, it's just amazing. Okay, so keep stirring it, and it's always good, do not cover your pot. It's nice for it to obviously leave it open. Okay, next stage, pour in some baby spinach and stir it again in, so stir through with that as well. Okay, and then the next stage, just add in your tilapia, okay, and also your mackerel fish. Just because I didn't want to start it from the beginning, so I added it towards the end so it won't break apart. And the best thing to use is a spatula. You don't want to break all the fishes apart using a spoon. So really guys, if you do have a spatula, please try and use it so you enjoy your fish nice and whole. Oh my goodness. Oh guys, can you see how excited I am? Yeah, it was amazing. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just letting it boil through for about 5 minutes. Okay, so what we're going to do now after the 5 minutes, again, just stir it through, making sure it's not burning at the bottom. Okay, don't forget this should be all on medium heat. Try not to leave it on high heat because it's just going to stick to all your fish, and then you're going to have some burnt fish at the bottom of the pot. Not a good look. Okay, so keep it on the medium heat. Okay, and again, try not to cover the pot and just leave it to simmer through for about 3 minutes here, but keep stirring gently. Please be very careful. We don't want no breaks in our fishes. Okay, so what we have to do now is just allow it to simmer through. As you can see, it's bubbling over, and oh my goodness guys, you will thank me. This will make you the big star of any show. If you're trying to impress someone, you're trying to impress your in-laws, the guy, anyone you're trying to impress, this will blow their mind. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up and comment below and join the family. Okay, it is done guys. Look at that bowl of goodness. Right, I will see you in my next video. Do enjoy this. I had mine with some amala, which is yam flour. Delicious. Okay, I will see you next time, so stay tuned and stay sweet. Bye.